And welcome everybody. And it is mates time. I'm 22 minutes late, but rather late than never. Let's do this. I'm getting faster each time. Holy crackadoodle. Okay. It's empty, full of emptiness, like my soul used to be. Ta-da! The sky is roaring at me, and the angels are peeing on me. And I don't know why, because I didn't do anything wrong. There was this one time, my sister and her ex-husband was going out on a tow, because he had his own company and his rollbacks and things like that. So what happened was they left their baby, which now is an adult and has a baby of her own. She's so beautiful. Anyway, they left her at my mother's house to take care of. And then me, being overprotective, I'm like, get out, kom uit die reën uit. Kom uit die reën uit. Jy gaan siek word. Come out of that rain, you're going to get sick. And she's like, no, I don't want to. And I'm like, okay, stay out. Okay, bly dan buite. Laat die engeltjies jou maar vrot piepie. Okay, stay outside. Let the angels pee on you. She starts crying. Came in.